I was having acne problem, like a lot of, there'll be almost 20 pimples on my face all the time. Like I really visited many doctors for this, but nothing was working for me. In fact, it was improving, and this was there for like 3 to 4 years, I guess. And it has just gone magically ever since I started doing Ho'oponopono for this, as you taught us. So yes, in like maybe in 2 to 3 months, I started seeing the results, and my face was clean after 4 long years. Second, very, very major problem, I guess I was having it from childhood. That was some chronic coughing problem. I had this rare disease where my mucus would go from back of my ear to my throat. Joined this community was like because I really wanted to become a coach. I was not at all a social person. I would not go on social media. I would not go do anything. And one fine day in our retreat, you asked me to go ahead and go live on Instagram instantly there. And you know what? At that time, except my husband, no one knew that I was in Goa.
So, welcome to another Rise to Fame interview with our super awesome energy queen, Dipinti. And ever since she joined the community, she's happier in life, she says, and she's launching her now business. And not just that, her health has also improved. So, without further delay, let's hear from Dipinti itself. So, Dipinti, over to you, and many, many, many congratulations on receiving the Rise to Fame award. So, over to you. Tell us how were your life, how was your health before you joined? And what are the changes that you're seeing after you've joined the Energy Queens community?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, I was having three major issues in my health. One, I was having acne problem, like a lot of, there'll be almost 20 pimples on my face all the time. And now I don't have to really say it. You can just see the result.
Yes, amazing. Thank you for sharing
Yes.
this.
So, like I really visited many doctors for this, but nothing was working for me. In fact, it was improving, and this was there for like 3 to 4 years, I guess. And it has just gone magically ever since I started doing Ho'oponopono for this, as you taught us.
Hmm.
So yes, in like maybe in 2 to 3 months, I started seeing the results, and my face was clean after 4 long years.
Amazing. That's so awesome, Dipinti. You deserve it. Super
Yes.
duper amazing. Yes.
Second, very, very major problem, I guess I was having it from childhood. Uh, that was some chronic coughing problem. You know, I had this rare disease where my mucus would go from back of my ear to my throat, and then I would cough. And this was not being cured. I visited to multiple doctors in multiple cities and, in fact, multiple countries as well, but this was not being cured. They said that you have to be on the medication throughout your life. Whenever you're coughing, you have to go all the do all the nasal rinse and sprays and lot of tough things too, I could say. That was
Hmm.
really painful as well, you know. But the magic is that I did not even try curing it, you know. I did not even do any energy work, any practice for this. Just because I was here, I was attending the sessions, I was working on myself continuously, and
Hmm.
it just got cured like magically. I haven't had any medication for this for last 10 months. And
Amazing. That's super amazing. Thank
and
you.
I haven't coughed even this much. Like even in the house, everyone is coughing. Everyone is having normal weather wala cold cough or something like that. I just don't catch it also.
It's because your chakras are getting balanced, my dear, and amazing, super duper amazing. Thank you so much because you're working on yourself and you're just doing what you're supposed to do. So
Yes.
many congratulations and on this
Thank
one
you,
also.
ma'am.
Amazing. Thank
And one third, also very major issue I was having. This looks small, but trust me, those who are having it, they know how painful it is. So this was muscle sprain, muscle pull wala problem I was having very severely. Like twice in a month, I would get either a sprain in my neck or my back, my waistline or something. And in both of my pregnancies, you know, full time pregnant when I was, both of my pregnancies, I had this severe sprain where I couldn't even move to just go to the washroom.
Oh
uh,
my. Yes.
yeah, so that was really severe. Like I got even hospitalized in my second pregnancy because of this small problem. I got hospitalized, and again, I did not do anything for this because somewhere in my mind I had just accepted it, that okay, this is there and I have to live my life with this forever.
Hmm.
But again, because I am healing myself, I have been working on myself. This has gone magically for
I
last
mean,
1 year. Since ever since I have joined your this community, Energy Queen system, I haven't got even a single sprain.
wow, that's amazing to hear. Thank you so much, Dipinti, for sharing all your three health wins. And yes, however small it may seem, but I can understand when you suffer, then you really go through a lot, right? And you've come across all the ways. So thank you so much for sharing this. Super duper amazing. So she's been working throughout, she's been attending the classes, she's saying, and she's just healing her own energies, and magical things are happening in her life. And I can just see that, Dipinti, inside of you, that your self-worth has gone high. And that's why it's all happening. So super amazing. Thank you. And once again, many, many, many congratulations on winning the Rise to Fame. So any other thing which you would like to talk about, or anything else also which you would like to mention?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so the reason I would start from there, the reason which for which I joined this community was like because I really wanted to become a coach, and you know my journey very well. Like I was not at all a social person. I would not go on social media. I would not go do anything. And one fine day in our retreat, you asked me to go ahead and go live on Instagram instantly there. And you know what? At that time, except my husband, no one knew that I was in Goa. I was in the retreat. No one, not my parents, not his parents, no one. But still, I took that as okay, your blessing to me, and I just went live. And that day, and it's today that, ma'am, I'm so happy to share with you that this month, 22nd of July, I'm launching my own coaching community. And the biggest part here is that, ma'am, on 21st of July 2024, when I joined Diamonds, that day I manifested that 1 year from now, I have to launch.
Amazing. Brilliant. Super, super amazing. Many, many, many congratulations. May your community grow, 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 and keep growing. And as you are growing, of course. So when we grow, our community grow also, right?
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Dipinti. And thank you for coming ahead and sharing this with everyone who's watching this video. Because I know one thing, if it is possible for her, it is possible for anyone and everyone, right? So any last message if you want to, there are some people who still doubt whether it will work for them or not work for them or whatever it is. So do you want to just give a message to the people who are watching it?
Yes, ma'am, certainly. And this is right from my heart to everyone around. Please, 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 for once, just trust yourself and take that one step for yourself. You know, this one step will completely change your life. Come join this community. It's magical. I can't explain it in words. It's completely, completely magical. Whatever you want in your life, or in fact you are not even imagining that you can achieve it, you will even achieve that, like I have achieved in my health area. And trust me, I never thought that, I just manifested that 1 year may I am launching, but I never thought it would happen, but it's happening. It's
Amazing.
happening for real.
Super duper amazing. Thank you so much, Dipinti, once again. And once again, you're awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.